friends, welcome back to my channel English with Kalpana. How are you doing? I hope you are doing great. In this video I am going to share a story, and believe me friends, this story is inspiring and amazing. And the title of this story is A Sentence Transformed a Life. So please watch this video till the end and enjoy the story. And if you like my effort, if you like this story, please like, subscribe and share. Without further ado, let's get into video. Now I'm going to share a story, and this story is related Maharishi Dayanand. So friends, once Maharishi Dayanand was on his preaching tour in Jhelum, and where Mehta Amichand used to sing very good bhajans, but he used to drink, and his conduct was not highly commendable. One day Mehta Amichand sang a very melodious song. Maharishi Dayanand praised bhajan and commented, "Amichand, you are a diamond, but lying on the mud." So the sentence hits like an arrow. It hits target. And it transformed Amichand's life. He gave up drinking and left all other vices. So friends, it is well said that one should never tired of satsang. One should never be tired of satsang. The company of good people and gentle will benefit you, and divinity may dawn anytime, and your life may become blessed. So I hope you will like this story. Let me know in comment box, and I need your help and support and encouragement. Most important thing is that for me, your encouragement. So please let me know in comment box. And friends, bye and take care.